what I want to show you is the most important part.
Oh.
Now it's time to make the Dan-O's butter. We're going to use 2 sticks of unsalted butter. So these are straight out of the fridge. They're cold. I'm going to throw them in the microwave for 30 seconds and they'll soften up for us. Now we're going to go in with about another half of a jar of Dan-O's. Half of a jar.
Half a small
if it
jar.
was the small jar.
Right.
So an ounce and a half. Then just take you a fork. You can see it soften right up for us. I come up with all this stuff just freestyling in the kitchen, right?
Right.
I'm taking this turkey.
Get that bird.
Yeah.
Well, you forgot his gobble box.
Oh,
there.
there's It's the gobble box. Still got a little skin on it, but it really doesn't matter because all we're using this for is to make our gravy afterwards, just like so. Just lay this in the bottom of the pan. So what this is doing is kind of working like if I were to put a tray underneath the turkey, it's going to keep the turkey elevated so it's not just sitting on the bottom.
Gotcha.
I'm going to get my hand in there.
I've not seen this.
And I'm kind of going to separate that skin from the meat, just like that. Make me a little
pocket.
pocket.
Is that a flavor pocket?
It's going to be a flavor pocket. I'm going to turn this thing over. We do not need that. Give a little sprinkle onto our veggies there. Not too much. Doesn't have to be too much. I'm going to open these flaps up.
Go any heavier than that? Or
That's good. I'm just going to turn this over. Fold them under. So we're done with the Dan-O's actually. Just pat them down. So now it'll help this butter stick when I'm trying to apply it. So, well, first thing I'm going to do is take this,
throw
it up in there.
in that flavor pocket.
In that flavor pocket, just like that. Then just push it back. Try and get it like evenly.
Yeah, I think that's the angst behind Thanksgiving dinner is just like, what am I going to do? I've got so many items I need to prepare. I want all these flavors to come out. And I think the one thing we can do with Dan-O's is you get multiple flavors out of all dishes.
I'm going to throw this in our oven. I'm going to put this in my roasting pan right on top of those vegetables. Just like that. All right. So now I got my oven set to 425.
All right.
It's only the first 30 minutes. So after I basted it, after that 30-minute mark, I took some foil and then I put oil on it to keep it from sticking to the bird. Put it over the bird like a little coat.
Yeah.
So then I took it off for the last 30 minutes, and that's where you can see we got that beautiful
herb
skin
crust
on there.
Yeah.
I'm telling y'all what, you can see all the seasoning in there.
Wow.
It just kind of stuck from using that the Dan-O's butter.